Okay, so I'm back with another layout. Hopefully I don't get interrupted again. My background is Badlow cardstock, and that heart pattern is Crepe Paper's La La Love called Blush. So I'm going to glue that down. And this is a old picture of Alex. This is one that was several years ago. This was a picture he took before we even met. So the photo man is Paintbrush Studio Joyful Day. And I'm going to use this card right here, that says You Make Me Happy from Cartabella's Flower Market. What's wrong? And then that leaf pattern is from a scrap. Those die cuts are Cartabella's Flower Market. Ephemera packs. I'm going to try to find stuff I can use. The chipboard frames are from Paintbrush Studio Everyday Musings. Excuse me. Sorry. There we go. So I have the floral, some flowers, a tab, and a Guess What die cut is Paintbrush Studio Joyful Day. Patton is staring at my scrap room door. I shut it a little bit so Coco can get in and get me if she needs to, but I can have some privacy trying to record because everybody's up. Alex is getting ready to leave for work. It's about 9:30 in the morning, and so Alex is getting ready to go to work. His dad is up and about. Mateo's in my bed watching TV, and I'm trying to get some of these done because I have more videos that I've made and need to edit, and then those two will need voiceovers, but I'm trying to catch up. Doing the last of my laundry already. I started it early. So now I'm going to commit and glue everything down. I'm watching Jetsons on my Boomerang app. My Saturday morning cartoons. All right. Just figure out what else I can put in that corner, because I just need something else. Hey, Patton. I gotta get my yard sprayed for fleas. I got some of that spray left. I need to do some of it. Right, Patton? Take care of mosquitoes, ants, fleas. Alright. So now I'm going to do some splatters, and the card serves as my title, and then that pretty much completes my layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.